Hey, it's Martin from the Maker's Workshop. I purchased 100 batteries from Jehu's Group Buy, and I'd figure I'd do an unboxing since there have been some people going, "Hey Jehu, where are my batteries? Jehu, all the delays. Hey, what's going on?" Well, they're here. It only took a little while because of customs, and I figured I'd do a little unboxing video to show you the batteries that arrived, how they were packed, and give Jehu some credit for putting together a really good group buy. So as you can see, the box is your standard. Pretty much I had to open it to check that it were okay when it arrived, but it's all got the correct double boxing and all the correct labeling. When you open the box, in here there is a nice clean primary box for the batteries, and it's been very well bubble wrapped. Let's get this out of here. I've already unloaded a couple cells to test, but let's show you what's inside there. There we go. Alright, so this very heavy box is filled with lots of batteries. Here are the two I took out. I've been testing a couple at a time here, but they say, here we go, as promised, ReVolt. Ta-da! So I've taken these 5 cells out, and I'm testing them now for capacity, and I'll get back to Jehu on that, but 100 cells shipped. The only delay was the customs. Thank you again, Jehu, for a great group buy, and I'm looking forward to getting the new Sony VT6s.